Hey YouTube, Christopher Whitlock Gaming here today with another video. For the third year in a row, I will be uploading this on this will be my 28th birthday. So this is stuff I've had throughout the last few months. I'll be honest, I do not remember what is in this box. But we got the Horizon 2 Forbidden West Collector's Edition. We've got stuff right here. I know we got a statue, a steel book, I believe a soundtrack. And also, got a Japan only Animal Crossing soundtrack. And last but not least, I got a Luigi's Mansion 3 statue. So we're going to start with the big boy right here. Alright, first things first, we got this beautiful artwork. I'm going to do it this way. Alrighty. Now obviously I'm not going to say any character's name. I do not know the franchise, so. But this was a nice little score at GameStop. Nice. Alright, I do know we get a steel book. No disc. Well, I guess it's code only. And we get a nice little book here. So the only thing I know is it's a post-apocalyptic game here. Alright. Okay, we got some pieces left over. I believe that just snapped in. Well, I guess clearly I gotta snap those pieces in, but I guess I'll do that later. Put a nice little look here. So I'll figure that out later. Guess next I'll do my Animal Crossing. Had this for several months. And I'll be honest, I don't even know what's in it now. It's been so long. So we got all this Japanese writing. So we got a lovely KK slider. Oh, cool. So we got stuff here for the soundtracks. Nice stuff there. More stuff to read. And we got the CDs. So there's a nice little eBay find right there. And last but not least, the Luigi's Mansion statue. And nice little beeper here. Ooh, that's got some nice weight to it. Well, I would show you it all lit up, but apparently it comes with supposed to have a special rechargeable battery. I remember beat 'em ups a couple years ago doing a review on this, and his came with a battery, which I guess this one doesn't come with. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on the next one. And also a special little shout out. I enjoy watching her on YouTube. Lucy from England.